This is my BMW X3 35i. You might have seen us build this on the channel. It is full bolt-on, VRSF everything. It's got a bimmerhaus performance, front mount intake, which was actually one of the first available ones. So that sounds sick. But I was looking over the channel and I realized we don't have anything, you know, just a performance video on this car. So that's kind of my goal today, is show you guys sound clips, what this thing can actually do. It's been down for like a month or so because I've been needing to do an ABS pump on it. That's officially done and it's good to rip. So yeah, this car makes about 350 horsepower to the wheels now. It has a stage 2 plus VRSF tune. It has a XHP stage 3 trans tune. It has the front mount intake on it, catless downpipe, upgraded intercooler, fresh spark plugs, fresh coil pack, and honestly, it's pretty good to go. We did all the brakes on this thing. We made a whole video on it. I'll throw that up here. But yeah, I'm gonna try not to kill too much time and let's go rip this thing. So this is stock exhaust other than the catless downpipe. That sounds sick. Dang. I don't think I've ever launched this. I don't think. It's surprisingly fast though. Next video, I think we should get a draggy. So one thing that's super cool, because this car is flashed with MHD, is we have anti-lag. So anti-lag in a SUV, not what you'd expect, but it's pretty sick. You just gotta hold this reset button above 3K